Wait lang, wag ka muna mag-scroll at syempre, magbibigay mo tayo ng ating word of the day at sagutin natin ang katanungan na to. Ang sabi dito, the following are the permanent member country of Security Council except. So yung katanungan natin dito is sabi niya, sa baba daw ay mga member country ng ating Security Council pero sabi niya except, sabihin yung hindi kabilang. So tandaan po natin class no, yung ating pong Security Council is under po siya sa kumbaga United Nation natin. Yung United Nation natin ay may tinatawag tayong Security Council which is for the maintenance of peace and security or peace and order. Yung Security Council po natin yung gumaganap doon. Now, meron po siyang mga member country natin. Pag tinatanong po tayo, ilan po ba yung member country ng ating Security Council? Meron po tayong 15. Kasi 5 yung permanent tapos 10 naman yung non-permanent. Tandaan po natin, yung ating non-permanent member country po sa Security Council ay elected po sila every 2 years. Pero itong 5 permanent member country, yung 5 po ay syempre hindi kasi permanent naman po siya. So tinatanong sa atin dito is alin ba sa baba yung hindi kabilang sa permanent member country ng Security Council kasi 5 lang yon. Okay? So ang hanapin natin dito yung hindi kabilang kasi sabi niya except. So tandaan po natin class, yung ating pong United Kingdom is pasok po yan. Yun po ating China tsaka Russia, pasok din po yan sa member country ng ating Security Council, including po yung France tsaka US natin. So the correct answer po natin dito is yung Philippines and Thailand is not a member country or not a permanent member country of the so-called Security Council under po ng ating United Nation.